Hello, my name is Ross Rule, cardiovascular and thoracic surgeon at Houston Methodist Hospital. Greetings from the Texas Medical Center. On behalf of the DeBakey Heart and Vascular Center, I welcome you to join us for the Cardiovascular Fellows Boot Camp. This will take place at the Houston Methodist Research Institute and the Hotel Zaza just down the street. This is a truly unique opportunity for first-year cardiac surgery fellows to have a crash course in cardiovascular medicine, cardiovascular and endovascular procedures, and invasive diagnostic and therapeutic technologies. This course has been described as Disney World for cardiovascular surgeons without all the lines. It is truly multidisciplinary, hands-on experience complemented by lectures, simulations, and a direct instruction from the basics to the newest innovations. This is an excellent introduction to transition fellows into the world of cardiovascular surgery, guided by world-class faculty. The full schedule of lectures, hands-on sessions, and events can be found on our website, along with complimentary registration, travel, and lodging. We are offering a stipend on a first-come, first-served basis for qualified attendees. We hope you'll join us, and we look forward to seeing you at boot camp in August in Houston.